Hello everybody, welcome back. We're looking at today is the Galaxy DX66 V3, and this is for Donald in Mississippi. It's a tune-up report. Donald will get the power all the way down, starting there on this 10-watt scale on top, all the way down is 1. If I turn it all the way up, it goes right to 10. Now on our peak rating meter, it's got a 50-watt slug reading it in the middle scale there. There's 20, 30, 40, 50 there. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alrighty. I know that's a quick one. There's not much to show you there.